Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the washer timer on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's not advancing to the next stage of the washing cycle. For this repair, you'll need a 5/16 nut driver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer model that we'll be using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore. Keep in mind, what you have at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Now make sure you've turned off your water. And now we can unhook our hoses. So we'll use our channel locks. And keep in mind, when you're doing this, that there's probably going to be some water still in the lines. So make sure you have a bucket or a towel handy to catch that water when it starts dripping out. There we go. Now we're going to unhook the hoses from the machine. So again, we're going to use our channel locks to loosen it up. There we go. So we've got 2 screws in the front. And now we're going to turn the washer around to get to the other screws. Alright, now that those screws are off, we can tilt the control panel to remove the clips on the bottom and tip it forward. That'll expose the entire inside of this. So this box right here is going to be our washer timer. To get this off, we're going to first need to unplug this here. So it's got 2 clips, one on each side. And you're going to push down on those clips and then pull out the wires. Just like that. We need to flip the console back up. We're going to remove the timer knob. Then we're going to remove this nut inside of here. And now we're going to remove the dial. Now you can see here, we've got a couple screws holding it in. So again, we're going to take our 5/16 nut driver and we're going to remove these screws. And as you remove your last screw, the timer might shift a little bit. There we go. Now we can tip the console back down. And you can remove the timer. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement timer. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. Now we're going to put the timer back in. And when we do this, we're going to make sure that these little knobs here go into place. This goes into the hole it's supposed to go to, but it'll slip right in. Nice tight fit right there. And now we're going to move the console up and hold it in place so that when we try to screw it in, the holes are exactly where they need to be. And we'll take our screws now we can take our timer dial, line up that D with the flat part on the knob, and we can push it right on. Now we'll take our plastic nut, Screw that back on. Now we'll take this knob and we'll screw that back into place. Looks like that works. Now we'll set our console back down. Plug in the wires. Make sure they clip in. And now we can put it back together. Now we'll put our console back on. To do that, you want to make sure these holes here line up with the tabs. So these will go inside the holes. You also want to make sure that the lip of this back edge goes over this, but that these stay outside. So you're going to want to lift it up and over the lip. Set it down. Make sure that everything is in the slots. Push it back, and now we can screw it back in. Now we're screwing in the back panel screws. Now we'll turn it around to the other side. And now the front screws. There we go. And now we'll hook up our hoses, and now we'll put our hoses back on. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.